Good afternoon, District 103 members. One of the things you may have noticed is you may not be seeing names of some of our members on public reports, or some of us may not even be receiving emails from Toastmasters International. The reason being, early on, as we joined Toastmasters for the very first time, Toastmasters asked us about our privacy settings. At that point of time, we may have made some decisions in terms of how we would like a name in public reports, or do we want to receive marketing emails and some of those types. As we move into Toastmasters, as we get more engaged, it's pertinent that we start receiving information from Toastmasters, and you should feel proud of all the achievements that now you have gone through this far in Toastmasters, and we would love to see your name on public reports as well, commending you and recommending you for further courses. When you have the time, log in into Toastmasters, and as you see on the screen, go to Toastmasters, www.toastmasters.org, log in, and right on the top header, you would see welcome your name, and here we see welcome Lee. Click on my profile with the drop down and scroll down. You get to a tab which speaks about my privacy and consents. If you go to edit, here are 4 options that the Toastmasters gives you early on. One is looking at emails. Do you want to receive emails from Toastmasters headquarters? And the next one is, do you want to receive mail? And the third one is, do you want to receive any information from third party? Fourth question is about phone calls. And the last one is about your name on public reports. Now, should you have your name on public reports as being no, and so you having declined it, we will not be able to share your name on any of the messages that we send out to the district. As an example, should you have completed a level, you will only be able to show your number and not your name. So something you want to consider, you want to say yes to your name on public reports and save your settings.